To start teeth whitening, you'll need the OnlySmile Teeth Whitening Kit. The kit includes the user manual, the OnlySmile Professional Teeth Whitening Gel, the tray, the OnlySmile Active Pro LED lamp, and the charging cable. To begin, apply the gel to the part of the tray that will cover your front teeth. Make sure to use enough gel to reach all your front teeth. Next, place the mouthpiece in your mouth and turn on the lamp. Using a mirror, you can check that the tray is properly positioned. During the treatment time, you can read, work, or watch TV. The tray won't bother you. After 45 minutes, you'll hear 2 beeps and the lamp will automatically turn off. Rinse your mouth and the session is complete. For your first application, we recommend 2 consecutive whitening sessions of 45 minutes each. This helps remove older stains more effectively. Cosmetic teeth whitening with OnlySmile is simple, safe, and pain-free.